Hey everyone! Today, I've got something really exciting to talk about: the Samsung washing machine PCB board. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, what's so exciting about a circuit board? Let me tell you, this little guy packs a punch. So, let's dive into what makes this PCB board a game changer for your washing machine. First off, let's talk energy efficiency. We all want to save a few bucks on our electricity bills, right? Well, this circuit board is designed with energy efficiency in mind. It's optimized to minimize energy consumption, ultimately saving you money in the long run. Who doesn't love that? Now, onto safety. You know how sometimes you worry about your appliances catching fire or causing some sort of electrical mishap? Well, worry no more. This PCB board comes with a range of safety features like overload protection, overheating protection, and short circuit protection. It's like having a built-in security guard for your washing machine. But here's the kicker: compatibility. You've got to make sure this board is compatible with your machine before you hit that buy button. So, remember to double-check the part number and reach out to the seller if you have any doubts. Trust me, it'll save you a headache down the line. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with what this Samsung washing machine PCB board brings to the table. It's energy efficient, safety conscious, and a total lifesaver when it comes to keeping your machine running smoothly. So, if you're in need of a motherboard repair or simply looking to upgrade your appliance game, give this bad boy a try. You won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.